Hello kids, good morning or good afternoon. Today is Science 5 and it's me again, Teacher Tina. Before we start, please get your workbook and textbook. And if you have a booklet, please get your booklet to easy to understand the vocabulary words. So, for workbook, please open your workbook, page 81 and 82. For textbook, 114, 116, 117, and 118 for textbook. So let's start. Okay. So today our topic is about star map. Star map. So star map or star chart is used to find the stars and constellation in the sky. Constellation is a group of stars. So this is the stars. It is describe the constellation that are visible from the location on the earth on the given time of the year. So this is star map for the January. So this is east, west, north, and south. So the position of the star or constellation, again, constellation is a group of stars in the sky. Is describe the angles using azimuth and altitude. The azimuth of the object in the sky is the size of the angle in clockwise from the north to the object. The altitude of an object in the sky is size on an angle from the horizon to the object. The point in the sky directly above the observer is called zenith. So sky, so this is the stars. So this is the zenith. For example, it's me. This is me, observer. So please then when I straight my arms, then I will count from my eyes like this one. So from here to zenith is 10. This is 10. Count 10 because this is a piece. So 10 on the eyes, 10, 20. Always remember, find the north. North. If you see the north, so you need to, this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So, zenith is 90 angles. So, this is 90 angles. So, this is observer is me. So, when I straight my arms, then count to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 90 is, this is zenith. So from here up to here, from the north is 90 angles. So this is, we can use our hands to estimate the size and angles of an object in the sky from our position of our hands. So this is the hands in the various combination of fingers represent different sizes of angles. This method gives us the estimation of the azimuth and altitude of this star in the sky. So this is various sizes of angles estimated using our hand. So this is 1, 2 angles, 5 angles, 10 angles, 15 angles, 20 angles, and 25 angles. So that is the various sizes of angles estimated using our hands and fingers. Again, 1, 2 angles, 5 angles, 10 angles, 15 angles, 20 angles, and 25 angles. So always remember to stretch your arms. Stretch means straight. Then find the north straight while estimating the azimuth and altitude of a star. So you need to find where is the north. If you see the north, you can start to find the stars using your hands and fingers. So estimating the azimuth of a star with handspan. So handspan is this. This is the handspan. So every handspan is 20 angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 times 20. So when you compute the handspan is 18 times 20 because handspan is 20. So for the whole handspan is 360 angles. So this is 360 angles. Estimating the altitude of the star with the piece and fingers. So every piece is 10. This is piece, this is handspan. This is piece. So stretch your arms and map from here and find the star. For example, this one, and there's the star here. So 10, 20, 30. For example, the star is here. So that's why this is 35 because 10, 20, 30, and this one is this is 5. So plus 5 equals 5. So this is 35 angles. So again, this is estimating altitude with piece. So every piece is 10. A piece represents 10 angles and handspan represent 20 angles. From the here, straight, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 90 is 90 angles. So from to zenith. Estimating altitude of a star with fist and finger. So every fist is 10. So that's why stretch your arms. Then 10, 20, 30, and if you saw the star here, so just only this one. So this one is 5 angles. So that's why 35 angles. And for the whole this one, handspan is 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 times 20 equals 360 angles. So this is the same of explanation of this is 90 zenith. This is from here straight again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So from here in to zenith is 90 angles. So this name of my finger. So this is the names of our fingers. So this is little finger, ring finger, middle finger, forefinger or index finger, thumb. Again, little finger, ring finger, middle finger, forefinger or index finger, and thumb. That is the names of our fingers. Okay. So this is example of how to estimate the azimuth and altitude of. This is example number 1. Nelly uses her hands to estimate the location of a star in the sky. She uses 6 handspan. So, every handspan is 20. So, this is 6 handspan to times 6 equals 120, and combination of the index, middle, and ring finger. So, this one is how much? So, this is 5. That's why plus 5 equals 125 angles. So, the azimuth is 125. Then, she uses 4 pieces. 4 pieces, so every piece is 10. So, 10 times 4 equals 20. And her little finger. So, little finger is how much? So, little finger is 1. That's why plus 1 equals 41 angles. So, the altitude is 41 angles. So, that is the how to compute the altitude and azimuth and altitude. So, that is the answer. Example number 2. Ying estimates the position of a star in the sky. She uses 7 handspan. So, every handspan is 20. So, 20 times 7 equals 140 plus and a piece. So, piece is 10. So, plus 10 equals 150 angles for the azimuth. So, that is the azimuth of the star. She uses 6 pieces. Every piece is 10. So, 10 times 6 equals 60. The combination of the index, middle, ring finger. So, this is, what is the value of this? Is 5. So, this is plus 5. So, equals 65 angles. So, the altitude is 65 angles. So, that is the azimuth and the altitude of the star. That is how to compute the azimuth and altitude. So, I hope you understand our topic for today. And this is worksheet, and please answer and understand what is the azimuth and what is the altitude. And number 2 is what is the azimuth and what is the altitude. And please write what is this? How many? State the size of angles estimated by these hands and fingers. So, how many? Example, this is 1 angle. How about this one? So, I hope you understand our topic for today. Thank you and see you again next time.